President, International Student Council, to present the Symbiosis flag to our chief guest.
And having chosen an institute like Symbiosis, I'm sure what you learn here will help you to climb the ladder faster and reach the top of your careers sooner than later. So let me also congratulate you for choosing the right institution and for being here to learn something that you aspire to be doing. Also very happy to see a mini world here. You all came with different flags, but then all those flags merge into one, finally. And that was a flag of symbiosis of the world, where you think that, all of us are coming from different streams, but we finally merge into one. Like if you really look at it, there are many streams. When the water falls from the sky, it gets into the streams join the rivers, and you wanted me to talk about joining of rivers some other day. Rivers, but finally the rivers join the ocean. And when the waters gets into ocean, and if somebody wants to pick it up and say, oh, this is from my river, can you say that? Or can you say that, no, it's not from your river, it is from the stream, from my place where it came from. Can you say that? When the stream joins the river, you cannot say that it is from my stream, because that's the river water. But when finally all the rivers converge into the sea, you cannot say that it is my water from my river. It's ocean, finally. So that's how we are supposed to be. Finally converging into one large humanity of more than 7 billion people. But we seldom forget that and try to find out reasons to fight each other. But I'm sure like we converge into that small little pot, I think the whole world, through this process, will finally merge into this big melting pot of one mass of humanity, and we address the problems of humanity. What it means? India is now $2 trillion economy. There are very few countries, less than 10, in the $2 trillion grouping. So all the G20 countries don't have $2 trillion economies either. In the $2 trillion, very interestingly, it took almost as many years from where we started calculating the wealth of the nations. Adam Smith, of course, wrote that book, Wealth of the Nation. But we started calculating what is the accumulated wealth of a nation, which is calculated in terms of GDP. We became a $1 trillion economy about 7-8 years ago. So it took that many years to become first $1 trillion economy. And now, in the last 7-8 years, we became $2 trillion economy. But infrastructure is one key to growth. Chinese grew because they invested more than 12% of the GDP into infrastructure year after year. You see the result, because when you invest into infrastructure, you needed steel, you needed cement. Then you needed plants which can manufacture steel and cement. Then you needed machinery which can manufacture cement plants. So you actually had a backward and forward integration which created a huge manufacturing base for China. They started generating more electricity because all these manufacturing need electricity. To generate electricity, you have to make generators, turbines, which Chinese started manufacturing. So just imagine the impact of all this. So what is infrastructure? In infrastructure space, railways will play a very important role. We have been investing hardly anything into railways. So when I presented my first maiden budget and also the maiden budget of the Modi government, full budget for a year budget, we increased the investment. Typically we used to invest in every year about 30,000-40,000 crores. We increased to more than 1 lakh of crore. For the understanding of my friends, in 5 years, we'll invest $120 billion into the railways. For that, there are many areas. We need modernization, we need augmentation, we need decongestion, we also need upgradation. So yesterday only, day before, a cabinet cleared a proposal which I had announced in my budget to develop 400 new stations which will bring in a new skyline, new iconic structures into the cities, but also create new economic growth. In the next 2 months, we are going to be hosting all the heads of state of Africa. Going to be an India-Africa summit in Delhi. So I think some of you will be visiting this summit after 20 years when you become the presidents,